Hello guys, I'm Azhar and in this video I will talk about inheritance. So let's consider we have a car and it is a class and it has some functions and properties. Now for example we take Mercedes. Mercedes is also car company, means that it manufactures cars. So Mercedes cars are cars, means that it have the property of this car. So Mercedes cars must have the properties of car. So along with these properties, Mercedes will have some additional properties. So what is Mercedes? Mercedes is a car. So it means that Mercedes will have these properties and it will have some additional properties and functions. So what is this called? This is called inheritance, means that there is a relation between two things. So whenever we have a relation, this is called inheritance in object oriented programming. The benefits of inheritance is that, for example, we have a class which has 20 properties and 100 functions, and we have another class which has the same 20 properties and 100 functions. So we do not need to write these 20 properties and 100 functions again, but we will just inherit that class to the parent class. So the class that is the parent from which other classes are inherited is called the parent class. So it is a parent class. Sorry, it is also called base class. Now this class which is inherited from this car class is called child class. Or it is also called derived class. So it is the benefits of object oriented programming that we do not need to write the code over and over again, just we have to reuse that code, and this is a great benefit of object oriented programming. So now let's move into our code editor and write some code. So here in our code editor we have a class called car and it has these properties and these functions. So now what will I do? I will make another class and I will call it Mercedes. Right, now I will inherit this Mercedes class to this car class. So what will I do? I will place braces and inside that I will write car. So Mercedes is inherited to this car class. Now I will define some properties like Mercedes, name of the Mercedes car will be, for example, name is for example S class. It is a property of a Mercedes class, and it have another property, for example it will have brand name will be, for example, Mercedes. Right, so this Mercedes class will have these properties and functions. Along with that it will have these two properties. For example, I have I define another function here. It may be, for example, Mercedes engine. Right, so it will print engine is made by Mercedes. Right, so this is the additional function of the Mercedes class to this car class. So now let's make an object of this Mercedes class. I will call the object as S class. for example, S class is a Mercedes car. I will write here Mercedes. After that, I will re-enter these properties, and I will name here the manufacturer, that is Mercedes, model 2020, color white, and engine capacity, for example, 1800 cc. Right now, what will I do? I will print S class dot name. Right, let's see the output, and again, along with this I will print so here I will print what manufacturer. So S class dot manufacturer. Right, let's see the result. So as you can see, the name is S class, which is a specific property of this Mercedes car, and Mercedes is the manufacturer, which is a property of this car. Manufacturer is the property of this class, and name is the property of this class. So all the properties of this car class is inherited and this Mercedes class. So it was the concept of inheritance. I hope that you will have learned it, and if you like this video, so hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.